We can see D9 and D10 also. What is the position of Jupiter out there? What is the position of Jupiter out here?
नीच है, नीच राशि में।
हाँ जी,
नीच राशि में है वो, निर्बली है।
हाँ, it is debilitated here. And Jupiter out, they are in the 6-8 position. They are in 6-8 position in the Navamsa chart.
Yes, sir.
Right. And what is in the Dashan chart?
And sir, Jupiter is in the nakshatra of Rahu also.
Yeah. And what is the position of this Dashan chart? Position of Jupiter?
Jupiter.
Jupiter is debilitated here also.
Again, the Jupiter is debilitated and it is afflicted also because
Mars
Ketu
is also
having an aspect, Mars is having an aspect.
Aspect, yes, sir.
Right. So what you will say about this Dasha, Jupiter Rahu?
not favorable.
Getting to career.
Yeah, otherwise also if you see that Jupiter is in the 12th house and Rahu is in the 8th house. Both are in the Trik houses. So otherwise also they become a weak planet actually.
So here Rahu is quite stronger than Jupiter, I think, because Rahu is exalted also.
No, but Rahu, you see the position of Rahu.
Eighth house.
Firstly, it is placed in the 8th house, which is not supposed to be good actually. It is afflicted with the Sun here. Sun is having an
With
aspect
Sun
on
here.
this. And even the Saturn is having an aspect. But,
Aspect on Rahu.
yeah, but Jupiter is also having an aspect. But 8th house Rahu is normally not supposed to
Not
be
meant
good
to be.
actually.
Yes.
It's
So-
for the health, sir, regarding to health as well.
Not health actually.
Finance,
We can
progress.
say that there may not be much of the progress during this period. What you expect, you may not get actually. But what is the good point about the horoscope? Any positive points about the horoscope?
So Mercury is aspecting its own zodiac sign.
Mercury is aspecting its own sign. Very good. Mercury is having an aspect on the 8th house. And
And it is the Lord of 11th house also.
Mercury is the Lord of 11th house also. So 11th house in the 2nd house. Lord of 11th in the second house. That is supposed to be a good position of a planet from the finance point of view. And
So
even
whatever will be earned will be saved also. Savings
Yeah.
would be good here.
And second is the Lagna Lord in the 11th house. That is also supposed to be a good position from finance point of view. Right? Then
Yes.
this Sun Mercury yoga is there, Buddhaditya yoga is there. Then Moon
Sir,
and
fourth
Mars are
lord-
together.
So 4th Lord or 9th Lord are together.
So 4th Lord and 9th Lord, basically the Kendra and Trikon Lord, actually they are together. So that is a very good Raj Yoga. Lagna Lord in the 11th house. Then combination of Moon and Mars. It's a very positive yoga. We call it Lakshmi Yoga. Then
Yes, sir.
Moon and Saturn are they together? Moon is 24 degree and Saturn is 27. So they are very near to each other. So we call it a Vish Yoga.
And the
Which
1st
yoga?
Lord, 9th Lord are together.
This and this are also together. These are very positive yogas. 1st and 9th Lord are together. Then 9th and 4th Lord are together. It's very good, very powerful Raj Yogas also.
Sir, here
Sir,
10th and 11th Lord are also together. So that does that mean कि that जो लाभ है और जो career है उसका साथ में बैठा है तो will it give
किसका?
something?
नहीं, what did you say?
10th and 11th house Lord is sitting together. So does
Ah.
that mean that
Yeah, it's
career
a very good combination. It indicates gains from the profession.
Yes.
Gains
सर
from
है मर्करी इज कंबस्ट तो बुध आदित्य योग बनता है ऐसे जब मर्करी कंबस्ट होता
कितना डिस्टेंस है? आप देखिए ये 4 है 9 है ये.
है हाँ जी सर
तो इट्स मोर देन 5 डिग्री.
5 degrees.
Okay.
Yes.
मोर देन 5 डिग्री. So
Okay.
बनेगा, बुध आदित्य योग बनता है फिर भी.
Sir, what are the effects of Vish Yoga, sir?
Which yoga means कि mental tension, person is always under a lot of mental pressure.
सर इधर तो दिखा है कि मरकुरी कंबस्ट है करके, सी दिखा रहा है।
हाँ, यहाँ तो लिखा हुआ है, but it is more than 5 degree. अगर less than 5 degree होता है, then we call it a निपुण योग in place of बुधादित्य योग actually. But here the distance is more than 5 degrees, so it doesn't matter actually.
तो निपुण योग आपने कहा।
हाँ, अगर सन और मरकरी बहुत पास होते हैं within 5 degree, तो बुध आदित्य योग ना रह के it becomes a निपुण योग. निपुण योग means कि you become expert in a particular field only. You are not an overall intelligent person, but you may get an expertise in a particular thing actually.
So in planet degree column, what is Lahari Ayan, sir?
हाँ जी,
So in planet degree column, last it is written Lahari.
लहरी आयनांश.
So this is what?
ये हम लोग बताया था ना मैंने, आयनांश जो फर्स्ट क्लास में हमने पढ़ा था कि दो तरह के लॉन्गिट्यूड होते हैं, एक साइन लॉन्गिट्यूड होता है, एक नेरियन लॉन्गिट्यूड होता है, और दोनों के बीच में जो डिफरेंस होता है दैट इज ऑफ आयनांश. और आजकल जो है जो आयनांश है दैट इज अबाउट 23 डिग्री. इसीलिए आप देखते हैं कि जो कहीं कहीं लिखा होता है कि एरीज साइन फ्रॉम 15th अप्रैल and somewhere it is written Aries sign from 23rd of March. तो ये 23 दिन का डिफरेंस होता है आयनांश का, because we don't take आयनांश into consideration. We use Nerian longitude, but in the Western astrology they use the sign longitude also. Ayanansh is because of the third motion of the Earth. It is moving backward at the rate of 56 seconds per year. So the total movement is about 23 degrees. So that is based on the Lahiri. Lahiri means the writer actually. So that is his Ayanansh.
So in this chart, moon is strong or weak? How we will get to know?
बताइए, moon है strong है weak है?
72
We will see
degrees.
तिथि.
यहाँ तो पहले हम उसका स्ट्रेंथ देख सकते हैं षडबल में.
The moon का is third.
Moon is very
Three.
strong, is
Yes,
7.1.
sir.
वैसे भी
Then Saturn is more stronger.
yeah, but Lord of 9th in the 11th is supposed to be a good position, and it also indicates income from abroad also.
Yes.
Sometimes in the Shadbal, if the Rupas is high, like not in Shikha's case, but I'm just saying sometimes in the Shadbal, it can show that the Rupas is very high for a planet, but that can be also malefic in the Lagna chart as well.
So it is malefic, it means malefically it is very strong, so that may be dangerous also.
One more question. This moon is malefic or benefic? Sorry, this I want to know.
Moon is the lord of which house?
Benefit.
9th house, Trikon house. And we have said that lord of Trikon house is always benefic, provided its Mool Trikon sign
Yes, sir.
does not fall in a Trik house. The moon का Mool Trikon sign क्या है?
The Taurus 2. It's in 7th.
Taurus. Taurus is not in a Trik house. So
Yes.
that's why Mool is a benefic planet in this case. Yeah.
Sir, I have a question. सर जब हम
जी।
न्यू बेबी नेम रखते हैं तो हमें मून नक्षत्र ही इम्पोर्टेंस देना चाहिए. इफ वो अच्छा नहीं है तो हम सन नक्षत्र से भी रख सकते
ये
हैं.
जो अल्फाबेट लिखा हुआ है ना यहाँ पर,
यस सर.
तो उसका जो ये जो नक्षत्र के हिसाब से ये नेम अल्फाबेट जो लिखा हुआ है ना ये,
यस सर.
तो पे लिखा हुआ है, तो इट मींस फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट शुड बी पे.
सर ऑलवेज मून नक्षत्र इज
करेक्ट.
कंसीडरेटेड.
Yeah, we give the alphabet only of the moon nakshatra, and each pada of the nakshatra has a separate alphabet actually.
Yes.
तो ये है, but the question is कि how will be the dasha of Saturn in this case? Because now Saturn dasha is starting. यहाँ पर सैटर्न की क्या पोजीशन है?
सर ट्राइन के साथ एक्सचेंज है. तो ट्राइन में है.
लॉर्ड ऑफ लग्ना इन द ट्राइन,
लग्न
और वर्गोत्तम भी है. यहाँ देखिए एक ही साइन में है.
यस सर.
So Saturn is Vargotam with reference to Navansh and is very well placed. दशांश में क्या पोजीशन है?
सर मूल त्रिकोण राशि में है.
Again a wonderful position in the Lagna in its मूल त्रिकोण राशि.
Yes,
तो Saturn नवांश में भी बहुत स्ट्रांग है, दशांश में भी बहुत स्ट्रांग है, और लग्न में भी जो है वो पोजीशन उसकी ठीक है. इट्स नॉट बैड पोजीशन एक्चुअली, राइट. तो Saturn का प्लेसमेंट ठीक है और उसका षटबल देखिए कितना है?
6.3.
6.3. So Saturn is strong also. It's not a weak planet. So it means the Saturn period should be good. It should not be a bad period. First thing, right? And एक चीज और ध्यान रखिए कि कभी भी जब Saturn का पीरियड शुरू होता है तो स्टार्टिंग Saturn दशा बहुत अच्छी नहीं होती किसी की भी, whatever may be the position of Saturn. कि कभी भी जब Saturn का पीरियड होता है तो इनिशियल कम से कम जब Saturn का पीरियड होता है वो बहुत अच्छा नहीं होता. उस पीरियड में बहुत सारे टेंशन होते हैं.
Both in Mahadasha and Antardasha, both.
What I'm saying कि during the first Antardasha of Saturn, that is Saturn period, is normally not supposed to be good for any aspect of life, whatever may be the position of Saturn. उसमें लाइफ के हर एस्पेक्ट में प्रॉब्लम आती है क्योंकि जुपिटर दशा जो है वो लोगों की बहुत अच्छी होती है वैसे भी, और सब लोग एंजॉय करते हैं. तो समझते हैं पता नहीं हम अपने आप को क्या समझने लगे हैं, बट उसके बाद जो सीक्वेंस है, इसीलिए सैटर्न का पीरियड आता है कि अब नाउ यू कम टू द रियलिटी. व्हाट इज द रियलिटी? तो इसलिए शुरू में जो है बहुत एक अजीब सा लगता है क्योंकि सारी चीजें लगता है कि सारी उल्टी पुल्टी हो रही हैं. तो इनिशियल पीरियड जो सैटर्न का है, पर्टिकुलरली अगर हम कहें सैटर्न दैट इज अबाउट ए ईयर पीरियड जो है दैट इज नॉट गुड एक्चुअली. तो अब इनका अगर हम लेट अस सी द